Hello, welcome to Camion. I'm Joe here with the Camion team. I have Michael here today. We'd like to go over the full Camion product range.
So in today's video, we're going to be talking about our brine making machines, as well as our lineup of Ice Master sprayers and our storage and transport tanks, as well as some options for on-site brine storage.
So to start off with here, we have our Brine Master. We have two sizes, a small one and a large one. These are both plug and play units. Our large brine maker has central control station with electronic salinity reading. These are both all-in-one complete units with the stainless steel and poly construction. Included in them is the time saver fork points for easy moving and setting up. The large one also includes a flow meter and a fully drainable hopper for easy clean out.
So next we want to talk about our T-Series sprayer. This is a premium featured unit. It does have 3 different pump options come on this unit. There's gas powered, high flow electric, or hydraulic driven pumps. And these T-Series range in sizes from 250 to 4,500 gallons. They do come standard with a double bar spray boom option. They're independently controlled for right, left, and center spray. They come standard with a rust armor stainless steel frame. This frame has fork points in for ease of load and unloading, as well as the tie down points or truck mount brackets. The tank is a thick walled tank with a 10-year warranty. They also come standard with a baffle ball for surge protection. They don't let any wave or surge start. These units have an option of a rate control or GPS control. This is an automated flow rate system where you can put in your flow rate and it will automatically adjust to the speed you're going. And we do have a sight gauge kit indicating the tank levels on the back of the unit and the side of the unit. So these units all come with a fast fill system, standard with a 2-inch line hookup where you can fill from external pump or in some situations the pump that's on the unit. And we do have a hose reel option. It's a very inexpensive 100-foot hose to add onto the unit for doing walkways and sidewalks. Also from 500 gallons and up, you can get a self-loading leg stand.
So next we have our Ice Master E-Series sprayers. This has got the premium features, but it comes at an entry-level cost. This still has the 10-year warranty thick wall tank with the pin mounting system and sump drain. It also comes with the rust armor stainless steel frames with fork points and tie down points. This also has the fan and jet nozzles and tri-zone spray selection. This comes with 3 electric pumps for each section, and it has a fast fill system as well as the sight gauge kit to see your level. We do have the optional baffle balls and hose reel. Another option we have for these is the storage stands, which allows you to store this without dismantling the boom in the off season.
So next we have our H-Series 3-point sprayer. This is a very unique design 3-point unit that's built for safe balance of the weight behind your tractor. It's got an easy access lid for filling. It's got a polyflex hose reel option for walkways and entryways. It's a solid wall tank constructed unit, rotomolded poly tank, heavy duty with a full drain out, and it has time saver fork points so you can fork this on and off your unit. And it also comes with a double bar spray system, so you've got your option of pre and post treatment with this unit. So what we have here is the Ice Master U-Series sprayer. This sprayer here is designed specifically for going in the back of a utility vehicle, UTV. A lot of folks use this for sidewalk de-icing. Very handy with the size of it. It's a 100-gallon tank on it. It's a full drain tank, so it drains out of the bottom center. We do have a sight tube for a liquid indicator. This tank here has an 8-inch lid for fill. We do have a baffle ball option that we can put in there, and they will secure your liquid load in here. The frame of this unit is stainless steel. That frame also has the fork points built into it for lifting these units in and out of the back of the UTV. This has a 7 gallon per minute electric pump, very economical pump, quiet to run, easy to use, just an on-off switch. It has an optional flow meter on it. And then you've got your valve and out port here, and you can use this port for either draining the liquid out of your tank, or you can cam lock onto there and fill with an external pump. Another one of the features on this sprayer that comes standard is the hose reel. This hose reel is all poly. It's 100 foot of hose, and it's on a stainless steel frame. Comes with a stainless steel trigger gun. Now this 2-bar boom system you see here is just a simple 2-bar system with single nozzles for pre-treating or post-treating. One more feature on this, you can just simply loosen these bolts here and adjust the height of your boom spray.
So here we have our Ice Master W series. This is our walk behind unit. It's a great unit for sidewalks, entryways, places you can't get with machines. Got good 12-gallon capacity. What really stands out on this unit here is the stainless steel frame for keeping the equipment nice and rust free. Also, another feature on this is the heavy-duty hand wand. 10 feet of hose on this, and it's got an adjustable spray end, so we can do a fan or a stream jet. Gives you good spray volume and distance up to 10 feet on that. Another great feature about this walk behind is it's got removable batteries. This is really important in the cold to keep your batteries somewhere warm when they're not in use. Will definitely extend the life of these. Also dual batteries, so we're never going to have downtime on the job with dual chargers, 12 volt and 110 plug. It's also got a wide spray angle nozzle. This allows you to spray widths up to 5 feet by adjusting the nozzle up and down. Okay, so here we have our vertical storage tank, and this tank has some unique features which is exclusive to our brand only. We offer ribbed walls. This helps keep the tank structure over many years of service. And then we have the reinforced roof, and this also helps protect that tank from caving from the top, and it allows us to offer a 10-year industry-leading warranty. Another feature is the lugs on the top. These can also be used for lifting the tank and installing into a new containment area. Another thing we recommend with our tanks is for salt brine to use the stainless steel fittings. We have a range of options here. We also recommend a recirc fitting for the various products that require agitation. Another thing about our tanks is the calibrations are very clear and easy to read. We offer a sight tube option as well.
So next we have our cone bottom trailers, and these are a unique on-site storage option that can be used to transport the tanks to a facility to store brine, and then transported back off the facility in the off-season when not in use. And these come with a heavy-duty tank, the solid wall design with the cone bottom, full drain out. These are a tube constructed frame on the trailer, and you can raise and lower this to set the tanks down on the ground for secure, stable storage of your liquid. The tanks are the rib sidewall with the strong X roof design, and these tanks are a 10-year warranty tank. So what we have here is our brine transport tanks. And these tanks here range up to 4,500 gallons. This is a 1,600 gallon here. These tanks here are highly recommended for transporting liquid And what's the reason for it is it keeps your load nice and level and low. A couple of things to point out on this tank is, number one, these tanks all have a 16-inch stainless steel lockable lid. This is vented. It's got 2 vents in here, as you can see, and it's lockable. You can tighten that lid down, it seals. These ones have our pin mount system. They mount through the bottom of the leg here. There's a pin running down that bolts solid to the frame. This tank does not have any hoops or bands over the tank that allows the tank to move and wear on the tank. This is a sump bottom tank, so there's a sump underneath this tank on the frame, which we recommend because that allows you to fully drain the tank out. We do offer a flat bottom style as well. Another option we have for these tanks is the baffle ball. This is a 14-inch ball, which fits in the 16-inch lid, obviously, and it's about 1 ball per 10 gallons. You fill that tank, and what this does is prevents the liquid movement side to side and front to back. Another feature on these horizontal tanks is these lugs on the ends. You can lift this tank from the lugs when the tank is empty. So when you're actually doing the install for putting the tank in, you can lift with those. Another thing these tanks have is the gallon indicator on the front of the ends of the tank. It's also on the side of the tank. Now, with these tanks being solid color, you cannot see through them. So we do offer a sight gauge kit, which you can run down the side of the gallon indicator so you can see your liquid level. We do have flat spots on these tanks. You can fit a fitting in this flat area here, and we also have flat areas over here for fitting placements. What those fittings can do for you is, if you're, depending on the product you're carrying, if you need to recirculate that liquid in the tank, you can do that just pumping through out of the bottom discharge and back through the tank, and that recirculates the liquid inside of it.